How to like and save a game on Roblox. This tutorial shows you how to favorite any game and find it later in your profile on your Android device. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. After that, search for the game you want to like in the search bar at the top. From there, tap on the game to open and expand its details page. At this point, scroll down below the game preview image or video to see a row of info cards. In the next step, you'll see different cards showing details like the number of likes, how many players are currently active, a notify button, and a favorite button with a star icon. Following this, tap on the favorite button with the star icon to save the game to your favorites. Once done, the star will go from empty to filled in, confirming that the game has been successfully added to your favorites list. From here, to find all your saved favorite games, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. At this stage, tap on View Full Profile to open your complete profile page. After this, scroll down a little until you see the Favorites section on your profile. Finally, tap on Favorites to see your entire list of saved games all in one place, and tap on any of them to jump straight in. And that's it. If this Roblox guide helped you save your favorite games, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.